Wherever Kerala development is there, I have appreciated. Literacy, healthcare, Panchayat Raj Vyavastha is very good in Kerala. We have visited. We wanted to take role model Kerala for all these developments. But this is not success story of Pinarayi Vijayan. This is success story of Karnakaran and Omen Chandi ji. It's a continuous process. So wherever Kerala has performed in a better way, we have appreciated. Wherever the failures of Pinarayi Vijayan, I have told same thing. Today my point is that his term is over. 120 months he has ruled this state. Now he has failed. He has to take exit. So my point is, it is very simple. Whatever his failures are there. And moreover, my point is that nexus between Modi and Pinarayi Vijayan. Pinarayi Vijayan godfather is Narendra Modi, who is sitting in Delhi. He cannot follow footsteps of Narendra Modi. That is what our point and Kerala people point.
How many seats UDF is going to be swept here?
Two-thirds majority we are going to get, and we are going to form the government. We will perform like Omen Chandi.
So we see that migration issue has been there over here in Kerala. How does UDF want to tackle over here?
Yes, it is like Telangana. So we will improve infrastructure, and we will get investment. We will create employment and self-employment. That is how we wanted to address. Today, the Kerala youth are going to migrate Middle East countries or Gulf or any other places. Today I have seen old age people and kids are looking in Kerala. So this is very unfortunate. Who is highly educated, talented, skilled people, they are migrating to other places, which is not correct. They wanted to come back, they wanted to develop their state. UDF is ready to take up all these challenges.
Sir, BJP and LDF are targeting you particularly. The government of Telangana is failed to implement the 6 schemes in there. So what is your comment on this?
That is why I have told Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, I will organize a and ask them to come to Telangana and ask them to see my performance. I will organize everything. Ask them to travel, women leaders from communist, ask them to come to my state and ask them to travel around the Telangana and nook and corner of Telangana. We are implementing our guarantees. We have given 67,000 plus government jobs in 1 year. So this is what my challenge. I have given loan waiver 20,617 crores, 25 lakh 35,000 farmers. I will give all the data. So my 200 units free power is 50 lakh people are getting. My 500 rupees cylinder is 50,000. So we have given 4 lakh 50,000 Indirama houses. Each beneficiary is getting 5 lakh rupees free of cost. So we have implemented many schemes. So ask them to send a team. I will show what is my. But my point is that the election is not going Kerala versus Telangana. The election is happening in Telangana, in Kerala, UDF versus LDF. He has to answer for that. This is not fight between Telangana and Kerala. This is fight between LDF and UDF in Kerala assembly election. He has to answer. He has to take every responsibility. That is what I am trying to tell my friends.
Also, the way the FCI